So let's learn today type of cost. Okay. So this topic every student used to mug up, but we will learn logically and practically. We will not mug up here. Okay. So we are here to solve a entrepreneur problem. An entrepreneur came to us. His name is Elon Musk. Okay. He told me he has to start a manufacturing business of this marker. Okay. So we will not go anything like any hard concept. We will go with common sense only. First of all, if you want to set up a manufacturing business of this marker, first of all what he want to do, he want to set up a factory. So quickly Elon with his contact set up a factory. This is Elon's factory. Now if he want to set up this factory, what he want to do next, he wanted some raw materials. So first of all he wanted raw materials. So he wanted to make a marker. So the cost units include plastic, ink, etc. Okay. So Elon Musk got an order of manufacturing 1 lakh marker, okay, per month. So what he ordered is, to another trading or manufacturing firm he ordered plastics in sheets. Okay, so many bundles of plastics. He ordered ink in cans. Okay, so he got now as a raw material, he got now in sheets of plastics and can of ink. Okay, now it's all delivered in front of this factory. Now, will he go to the factory alone and manufacture it? No. Now, the plastic sheets will have to be converted or transformed into this marker in cylindrical shape. A nib have to be jointed, and systematically ink should be poured. So he had a bulk quantity. He had got a bulk order of like 1 lakh. So he is the owner. So he will appoint some laborers to do his work. So many laborers came for wages. Okay, so many employees came, and he gave as a consideration salary to them in his office. So now the another expenditure he incurred for setting up this factory is his labor by wages and salary. Okay, now labor started functioning as before they started doing work. Now they gone again to Elon Musk and they told that we can't do work. Elon Musk asked what happened. They told that not only you should incur the expense for raw materials and labor, you should incur expense for the other expenses also. For the machinery to run, we want power, fuel, etc. Electricity is most needed. So many expenses directly or indirectly were also to be incurred by Elon. Okay, so next he had to incur some other expenses, direct and indirect. Okay, so if the selling price of this marker is 25 and the cost price is 10 rupees, whether this 10 rupees means only his raw material, he should exclude the labor charge and expense? No. There are 3 types of cost now. These I told in layman term. Let's we see what our book tell to write in exam. Raw material cost. Okay, raw material cost we write it as material cost. Okay, second labor cost we incurred, we write it as labor cost only. Third, the other expenses incurred, we write it as expense cost. So there are 3 types of cost: material cost, labor cost, expense cost. Material cost is of 2 types, labor cost is of 2 types, expense cost is of 2 types. Labor cost is of direct and indirect. Material cost of direct labor cost, indirect labor cost. Expense cost is of direct expense cost, indirect expense. Okay, so if indirect material cost and indirect labor and indirect expenses, all these three indirect expenses if we add, we get overhead expense. And if we add all three direct expenses, if we add direct material, direct labor and direct expense, we get the factory cost or work cost. Summing up, there are three types of cost he should incur for raw materials, labor, expenses. If we sum up, the cost is like 10 rupees. The 10 rupees will be of raw material, labor and expenses, each of direct and indirect expenses. That's all.